beautiful single-story ranch on 3 acres. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with an approximately 400 square foot bonus room. Spacious master suite has jetted tub with separate shower and access to the covered back patio. Open floor plan allows the kitchen and dining room to flow together with the great room. You can then take the entertaining out the atrium door onto the 60-foot covered back patio with ceiling fans. There is an oversized 2-car garage that is 30 foot deep on one side for storing your boat. Land has been meticulously cared for with gorgeous redwood trees aligning the front of the property and has a 12-station auto sprinkling system. There is 30x60 concrete slab with water and electricity just waiting for you to add a structure.